Welcome back to another enchanting episode of Jeju Diaries. Today, we embark on a journey where the sands are as white as the clouds above, and the waters mirror the vast, infinite sky. Welcome to Hyeopjae Beach. Hyeopjae Beach isn't just a beach. It has the most stunning sunset views that have the power to halt time for you, even if just for a moment. This beach is nestled 32 kilometers west of downtown Jeju. It stretches roughly 200 meters and is 60 meters wide with a shallow depth of 1.2 meters, making the beach perfect for family visitors. Whether you are all alone or with friends or family, all find a slice of paradise here, where the shallow waters kiss the shores, and every wave tells a story of timeless ebb and flow. As the night envelops the day, the beach transforms into a celestial spectacle where families ignite fireworks, casting a myriad of colors across the night sky, each spark reflecting in the awestruck eyes of children and adults alike. Hyeopjae Beach ensures your comfort and convenience with a plethora of amenities. From campgrounds nestled in the pine forest to changing stalls, shower booths, and more, every need is just a stone's throw away. If you venture a little, you'll find spots adorned with black rocks too on this beach.